With Anna, I really, I remember feeling, remembering how
hot she is.
That's what I was trying to like. Did you see the serpentine answer? I was like, basically, no, it really was. It was confidence because it wasn't an easy job to come into. I knew that the job was something that a lot of people had been fighting for, and it's you know in the middle of this huge ensemble of a lot of really established. I mean, I was nervous to come to set, but this job, this role is really the center linch point, you know, and it's just a linchpin rather. And it just, I remember her coming the first time I met her. It was just, she was very. There was a lot of conviction. She meant what she said what she meant, and it translated into her acting. And I remember thinking, okay, if she's the one shouldering this movie, I think we're gonna be okay.
Nice. Well, yeah.
And then your turn.
I was scared.
Well, I didn't clock it.
Yes. You've shot him.
Yes, I shot him in the butt.
Yes, and now you
threw up on his face. And in this one, I'm trying to. I kiss him. I'm nice to him.
You save him.
I save him.
You save his life.
Even better.
Yeah. The idea, I love it. It's for looking people meet and they go, oh, let's go on maybe a date. So they go on a date and then you ghost him.
Well, I'm working.
Yeah, but he doesn't know that. He doesn't know, and so he goes, wait. So he got ghosted by. He's like, but then he realizes that he forgot that you have his.
I got his inhaler, which has one of those.
He put an Apple tag on it, so he can track you. And he's like, wait, I'm gonna find out. Maybe it'll be romantic.
Yeah.
She's in London. I'll go surprise her. I'm like, hi,
Don't
remember?
do that, people. Don't show up.
It's called stalking. Don't do that. Yeah.
Don't do that.
Don't do that. Yeah, but he's embarrassed. He's like, all right, so me. Then he finds out you're a secret agent.
Yeah.
You're a spy.
Yeah.
And you are a kick-ass spy.